It's 10:51 p.m. at night and I just felt like shooting a video because I have some new lights going on and I've just been spending the last couple of days playing with them. Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Bon and welcome to my channel. So contrary to this really uber cool lighting that I have going on, the products that I'm going to talk about today in today's video are super auntie-ish, and you might even think that I'm like some sort of a granny because who really talks about these products that I have? But I have to be honest and tell you guys that these products are, I think, some of the most underrated products out there in the market, and brands that no one talks about, no one is talking about, no one raves about, and I just happened to try them out of fluke for the one time, and they have become massive staples to my beauty regime. I literally have multiples of them even right now in stock so that I never run out of them. Something for makeup, there's something for skincare, there's something for hair care, there's something for foot care, but these are from brands that I would say that we are really racist towards, because you know, if I tell you about and mention these brands, you might just go like, what? Like this product from that brand? Are you kidding me? And I also was like that for the longest time, and I happened to try out these products the one time and I just never stopped. And with that much long of an intro, let's dive in. But also a quick disclaimer before I begin with listing out the products: beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, all of these categories in general, not one size fits all. What has worked for me might not work for you, but the point of this video is just to share these products with you so that you just get to know that there is a lot more than all the hyped up and really talked about brands, and there are underrated heroes out there that you need to go out there and explore. And with that long disclaimer of an intro, let's finally get started and dive in. So my first product today is, you could say, easily my most used and my most loved shampoo right now. And I think the minute I'm going to show you guys the bottle, you guys are going to be like, what? But yes, it is the Indulekha shampoo that I have just been obsessing over. Like, it's been almost a year and I can't get enough of this. I know, who am I? I am talking about this shampoo being my most favorite, but yes, it is. Firstly, I happened to start trying the shampoo almost a year ago when I just had to get a haircut, and my hairdresser kind of recommended that, you know, why don't you just try the Indulekha hair oil and shampoo? It kind of really helps in maintaining the health of your hair, you know, see a reduction in your hair fall, etc, etc. I could not stick to using the hair oil as much because I'm just too lazy and I haven't been able to keep up. I do shampoo every now and then, and this shampoo, oh my god, like, firstly, this is not for someone who is not into Ayurvedic or herbal shampoos in general, because it does have a smell that kind of smells a lot like shikakai and Rita and all of that. I don't mind that. The best thing that I like about the shampoo is the smell of camphor. I don't know if that's weird, but I love that smell. And overall, the fact that if I do have to shampoo every now and then, given the weather, it's so humid, my scalp starts feeling oily or itchy, I kind of feel a mental satisfaction in my mind that I'm using something that's herbal versus a chemically formulated shampoo. And more than that, it has really pumped up the health of my hair. My scalp in general does not feel as sticky and greasy as compared to a lot of times before that it did. And in fact, even my husband kind of swears by it. And this shampoo is the one shampoo that we make sure that we never ever run out, and we have multiples even right now in stock. We almost probably reach like halfway through one bottle and I ordered 2 more. If you are facing hair fall, if you have any issues with hair thinning, your hair feeling very lackluster and lifeless, I feel this shampoo really has something that it does massively healthy and great to the hair, and definitely a must try. My next product is a makeup product, and I had no idea that it even got launched in the Indian market and it was even there online available. I'm talking about the Revlon Candid Focus. The Revlon Candid foundation, which has a very natural finish. This foundation and this entire range from Revlon was really raved about and really talked about on YouTube and everywhere online, and I had been seeing videos and I had no idea that this was even supposed to get launched in India. If it even did, no one talked about it. I have absolutely no clue like this even existed. I got this off Nykaa, But this foundation has been such a stellar find. Firstly, the price point is extremely great. It retails for 630 rupees, which is an absolutely a steal price for the foundation with the kind of finish that you get with this one. It has a very natural and a very breathable finish with a medium to buildable coverage, so you don't feel like you have tons and tons of makeup piled on. And the fact that it has a kind of very sheer and a very wearable, I would say like a glowy natural finish, you can almost wear it on a regular basis. And for people who do not like wearing foundations on a regular basis or don't like wearing makeup in a regular basis, I am one of them. I stay away from foundations that are too heavy, that are too cakey, that are too dense, and I would just reach out for them for formal parties or more formal occasions. But these foundations this is almost comparable to, you could say, a higher end of a makeup tint or a tinted moisturizer. I have this in the shade Honey Beige 430, and the only dud part is that yes, there are about 6 to 7 shades available online on Nykaa, whereas this foundation actually has 31 shades. So that's kind of the dud part of international brands launching their shades in India, that you don't get the full shade range. But if you are close to my skin tone, or maybe a shade here and there, one more, one less, you can try the shade Honey Beige or maybe a shade around that. And if you do, definitely check it out, because this foundation is definitely worth a try. My next product is a face mask by the brand Jovies. I don't know if you guys have heard about this brand or not, but this is definitely one of the most popular brands that are available in the local cosmetic stores and even online on Amazon and on Nykaa. Tell me if I'm wrong, but the brand Jovies always reminds me of these girls at these cosmetic stores, the time when back in the pre-COVID era when we would visit, and they would be just hounding you, walking after you, or even at the counter constantly suggesting you products from this brand and asking you to try them on your wrist, on your hand, and convincing and struggling to sell one of these products and convince you to buy and pick up a product from this brand. And you would always be like, no, I don't want this, I'm just looking for something else, I'm looking for a mascara, and etc. But I have to thank the girl who managed to sell me this. I got this face mask, I think, as cheesy as it sounds, but just before my first Karwa Chauth, and I happened to visit the store, and I was just thinking that, why don't I just get something that I can just, apply on my face, because I didn't have the time to get a facial or anything done. I was about to travel and come down to where I am right now, to my husband's place, and that time he was my fiance, and I was keeping a fast for him. Too much details, not interested. But yes, I was looking for a face mask, and the girl just told me that, ma'am, if you want one face mask that you really think is going to pump up your skin with tons of glow, and you might almost feel like you drank like tons of water and you've just had like 5 facials, please try out this face mask. And little did I know that it's going to do anything. I was like, oh yeah, why not? This just retails for 245 rupees. Why not? Let me just buy it and try it. And I think this is easily probably my 15th or 18th tube that I'm using right now. And so much so that even today, not just me, but even my husband swears by this face mask. He makes sure to use this every time before he has to ever travel, if he has any meetings, if he has any parties or even formal get-togethers to attend. I might even skip out of the routine and maybe, skip using this, but he does not forget. And yes, this face mask is really beautiful. Firstly, it has sandalwood, and if you guys don't know me or haven't watched my videos before, I am someone who is an avid lover of sandalwood in products in general, in beauty and makeup products, and this has that. So that was the first thing that kind of caught my attention. But more than that, because my skin is dry, I have to really navigate my way through using face masks and figure out which ones really work for my skin in terms of hydrating it and also making it glowy. If you are looking for one good mask that's going to do it all for you, that's going to brighten up your skin and give you a glow from within, this is the one that you've definitely got to try. My next product is also again by the brand Jovies, and this time it is a foot cream and scrub that I've been using for almost, you could say, a month and a half right now. And I think this is by far the best cream that I found for my feet. Honestly, because I keep mentioning my skin is so dry and my feet are even more dry, I have to reach out for really heavy, dense, thick texture creams that can really hydrate the skin on my feet. The only problem that I face and I run into while using such foot care and foot creams in general is that I have a huge problem in then wearing any kind of footwear that I'm wearing, because my feet kind of slip in and out. Sometimes if I have to wear heels or something that have less straps and it's just like a pair of pumps, the kind of greasiness that some of these creams bring in, it makes it so annoying for me to wear my footwear for almost, you could say, half an hour or 45 minutes till the time it completely gets absorbed, because my feet even start sweating after a while. And I have always then kind of skipped on using foot creams in general because I just don't want to deal with that whole situation all over again. But this cream is so beautiful. Firstly, it hydrates my skin, but apart from that, because its texture has these small granules inside it, which is, I'm guessing, the jojoba seed nuts, not jojoba, jojoba seed nuts, which kind of have these exfoliating texture that it kind of does on your feet while also moisturizing the skin around your feet. So it's like 2 in 1, and the best part is that you don't have to wash off the scrub. It's kind of a cream with a scrub that you just gently massage all over your feet, on your legs, and just leave it on, and the granules kind of dust off on their own or automatically get absorbed in your skin. I mean, how cool is that? This is like a foot cream that kind of understands my needs so well. And I don't know where I have been kind of living under a rock, but my mother-in-law introduced me to this cream, and this is my second tube, and I really swear by this foot care cream. And I also suggest that if you are looking for a good foot cream that is going to hydrate your skin and not make your feet too greasy that you will have problems in wearing any footwear or any heels or any pumps while you just want to step out the door, try this one from Jovies. And my final product is by far the best scrub and mask combination that I have used in the longest time. After trying out many scrubs out there in the market, I could almost say that it almost works as a dupe for my rice water mask. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to link the video over here. But I keep using rice water on a regular basis every now and then for my hair, and I also use a scrub made out of it for my skin. And if you want to know how that works for you as well, watch my video and try it out. But what I have with me today is products that work very similarly and very close to the rice water mask, and I'm talking about the Lotus Herbals White Glow Brightening, oh god, focus, there we go, Lotus Herbals White Glow Yoga Skin Whitening and Brightening Mask. What a long name. I don't have the scrub tube with me, and I happen to just run out of it, and I haven't been able to order one more because they have just been running out of stock for the longest time, and I need to get my hands on the scrub. But this scrub and mask are absolutely beautiful. They have a very creamy texture, again very good for dry skin, people like me who have problems in using products that dry out their skin. This does not do that. I tend to use the scrub every twice a week sometimes, and the mask maybe once a week, or maybe sometimes even after using the scrub. And both of these scrub and mask work so beautifully for the skin to kind of exfoliate your skin very gently and also give your skin a very nice glow. I'm very particular when it comes to scrubs in general, because either some scrubs are too coarse and gritty in texture that it kind of irritates and agitates my skin, or either the scrub particles are too fine that they don't even work remotely to exfoliate my skin at all, and they don't even remove the blackheads and for what I need a scrub for on my skin. But this scrub and this combination in general is so beautifully made. The formulation is really nice. The size of the scrub particles is perfect. It does not aggravate my skin or does not work in a way that I don't feel that my skin has not been exfoliated at all. If there's definitely a good scrub and a mask combination, or if not a mask but just a scrub that you want to try, check this one out from this brand Lotus, and you guys are definitely gonna love it. And with that, that's a wrap for this video. I have just told you guys about some of the very underrated products that you guys definitely go out there and try. I'm sure most of these products should be available at your local cosmetic or departmental stores, or if not, even online. I'm obviously going to leave all the information and details in the description box down below for you guys to check out. These products are from brands that you will not consider trying and buying, but if you take my word for it, I think you should give them a shot and see for yourself. I hope you guys found this video helpful and useful. Comment down below if you guys have any questions, suggestions, or anything that you want me to film. Thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notifications bell because you don't want to miss my Monday uploads. I'm going to see you guys next week. Have a great week ahead. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.